Hi, welcome to Parnika Maths. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.4, third, fourth and fifth problems. See the question. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth? What they have given? Length is twice its breadth. I am taking the breadth as x. Then what is the length becomes twice of its breadth? Breadth is x means length becomes 2x. Then and the area is how much more? 800. Area equals to 800 meters square. If so, find its length and breadth. See here, what is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth equals to 800. What is L? We have taken it as 2x, no? Why 2x more? Here see, length is twice its breadth. I am taking breadth as x. So length becomes 2 into x. Breadth is x. That equals to 800. 2x into x, x square equals to 800. X square equals to 800. Here 2 is multiplying now. If I send to this side, it will divide. X square equals to 2 ones are 2 fours are 400. Now x equals to, I am sending this square to this side. What it will become? Plus or minus root 400. X equals to plus or minus what more? Root 400 means 20 square, no? 20 into 20, 400. Square root cancel. Therefore, x equals to plus or minus 20. We got plus or minus 20. But minus value we will neglect, no? Will the length be in the negative value or breadth will be in the negative value? No. Therefore, breadth equals to x, that equals to 20 meters, and length equals to, what my length equals to? 2x. 2x, that equals to 2 into 20, that equals to 40 meters. That's all ma. Breadth is 20 meters and length is 40 meters. Did you understand? They have given length is twice its breadth. I am taking breadth as x. So length becomes 2x. Area is 800. Area means rectangular area. Length into breadth. Length into breadth equals to 800. After solving it, we get plus or minus 20. Negative side will not be any negative value. So therefore breadth becomes 20 meters. Length becomes 40 meters. That's all. Problem is completed. Shall we go to next problem? See the question. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. What does that mean? Two friends, no? First one, I am taking it as x. Second person, I am taking it as y. What they said? Sum of the ages of two friends. Sum. Their sum is 20 years. X years, y years. 4 years ago. 4 years ago means what, ma? Subtraction of 4 years means ago means before. So x minus 4, y minus 4. What they said? 4 years ago, the product of their ages is in years was 48. Sorry. What they said? 4 years ago means 4 years before. Before means minus. X minus 4. For second member, y minus 4. What they said? The product of their ages. Product means multiplication. Multiplication of their ages is 48. Is this situation possible? If it is possible, if so, determine their present ages. We have to find is it possible or not. From this, see here, what is y ma? Y equals to 20. If I send plus x to this side, minus x. So y equals to 20 minus x, no? Substitute here. X minus 4 into, in the place of y, 20 minus x minus 4 equals to 48. Again solve this. X minus 4 into minus x. 20 minus 4 how much more? 20 minus 4 16. bigger number plus symbol, so plus equals to 48. Now multiply this x into minus x square, x into 16 plus 16x, minus into minus plus 4 into x, 4x, again plus into minus, 16 4s are 64. Send this 48 to this side, minus 48 equals to 0. What is the equation? Minus x square plus 16 plus 4, 20x, minus 64, 48. Add the both, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 112 equals to 0. Here minus is there, no? For x square, take minus common. X square minus 20x plus 112 equals to 0. Then what are the values, ma? If I send this minus to this side, 0 into minus means it will become 0. What is the equation now? X square minus 20x plus 112. X square minus 20x plus 112 equals to 0. That is the equation now. See here, by solving it, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. What is the quadratic formula, ma? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In the last problems we have done the roots of the quadratic equation, real roots like that, no? We have taken b square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. Remember that, no? Okay. We will continue this problem. See, minus of b value minus 20 plus or minus root of, no need to do complete, ma. Take discriminant enough. Discriminant, already I said, no? What is meant by discriminant? B square minus 4ac. Now solve this, ma. B square means minus 20 whole square minus 4 into a value 1, c value 112. Here 20 square 400 minus 400 minus 112 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Minus 48, 48. That equals to minus 400. Add it. 8, 4, 8. Minus 8, 4, 8. This is less than 0 or greater than 0? Less than 0. Means what are the roots, ma? No real roots, no? Then what we can say? Is it what they said in the question? Is the situation possible? No. The situation is not possible. Why, ma? Here we have taken the discriminant. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. This is less than 0. Already we learned 3 cases. What are the 3 cases? Did you remember the 3 cases? Here shall I say, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we will be having 2 distinct roots. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0, we will be having 2 equal roots, means 2 roots will be equal. Here what is the formula? Same formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. For this, what is the formula? This will be equals to 0. Then what will be the formula? Minus b by 2a. And the next case is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. In this case, there will not be any real roots. Here, in the same way, here what we got? B square minus 4ac value is less than 0. Therefore, no real roots. Means, if the situation is not possible. Did you understand, ma? What we have done? See, there are 2 persons. I am taking one person age as x and the second person age as y. This is age, ma. First person's age and second person's age. So, what they have given, the sum of the ages is 20. So, x plus y equals to 20. And the 4 years ago, the product of their ages is 48. 4 years ago means 4 years before. X minus 4, y minus 4. The product of it is 48. By solving it, we got the discriminant is less than 0. It will not have any real roots. So, the situation is not possible. Shall we go to next problem then? See the question. Is it possible to design rectangular park of the perimeter 80 meters? What they said, ma? Perimeter is 80 meters and area is 400 meters square. If so, find its length and breadth. First we have to find, in this case, is it possible or not. After finding it, we have to find the length and breadth. First, what is the perimeter of a rectangle formula? 2 into L plus B. We have learned from small classes onwards, no? 2 into L plus B. L plus B equals to, send this 2 to this side, it is multiplying. If I send to this side, it will divide. L plus B equals to 40. I want B itself. Send this L to that side. 40 minus L. Let it be one equation. What is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. That equals to 400. What is length, ma, here? Take like that only. What is breadth? 40 minus L. That equals to 400. Now solve it, ma. 40L minus L into L. L square. Send this to this side. Minus 400 equals to 0. I am taking minus as common because L square term have minus, no? Take minus as common. Then L square minus 40L plus 400 equals to 0. Remember one thing. While taking minus, plus becomes minus and minus terms. Minus term becomes plus term. Plus term becomes minus term. See, if you want, multiply and check it. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Minus into plus, minus. So, what is the equation? L square minus 40L plus 400 equals to 0. For this, what is the quadratic formula, ma? Do you need quadratic formula or fractions, ma? 40 square, 40 I want to get. 20 into 20. 2 2s are 4. 0 into 0, 0, 0. Is it okay? What is the symbol here? Plus. What is the symbol here? Minus. So keep minus for both. L square. L. Now solve this. L square minus 20L. Again minus 20L plus 400 equals to 0. If you add this both middle terms, you have to get this term. This I have already explained in the starting of quadratic equations, first exercise 5.1. If you have any doubt how we will get these fractions, see that exercise 5.1. I have made a video on that. Okay. In this first two terms, take L as common. L minus 20. Here minus 20 is common. L minus 20. 20 into 20, 400. Again in this both, L minus 20 is common. Again L minus 20 equals to 0. Means L minus 20 equals to 0. Both the cases L minus 20 equals to 0. What is the value of L then? L equals to 20. Both the same value, no? What we got? Therefore, length of a rectangular field equals to 20 meters. Then what is the breadth, ma? Breadth equals to, what we got? We have taken breadth equals to 40 minus L, no? Substitute here. 40 minus L, that equals to 40 minus 20. That equals to how much more? 20 meters. Therefore, what is length and what is breadth? Length equals to 20 meters and breadth equals to 20 meters. See here again, the perimeter and area they have given. We know that perimeter formula and the area formula. In that we have substituted it. At last we got length may be 20 meters. Then if you substitute this length in the breadth value 40 minus L, we got breadth also 20 meters. Did you understand, ma? If you have any doubt, give in the comment box. If you like my video, press on the like button, share my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.